Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to today's class. I still remain Ivan Simane, the name that don't change. And so we'll be looking at some ifs, and some products. These are the sum functions that we'll be touching today. So for some add all numbers in a range. Some if add cells specified by a given condition. Some ifs add cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. Some products return sum of products of corresponding ranges or arrays. Now let's go straight to the point so that in the next 10 minutes or so we'll be done. Okay, now let's go. Now we'll be starting with the sum. Okay, sum add all numbers in a range. So let's add all these numbers in this particular range. You just press your equals to your sum, sum, bracket open, you highlight all in that range, and here we go, we get 44. Very nice and clean. So the next one is calculating the cost per item. Okay, now let's see, let's go here. So equals to sum, bracket open, close. Now you can say, okay, this F7. Let's see if it will work there. F7. Use this button, this particular one, you see, and then end where F19. You see, I'm trying to reference this F19, and let's go. Let's see what happens. You see, it has highlighted what you are working with. Wow, good and nice. Okay, now let me add this particular side. Okay, this is equals to this times this. We give us this. Okay, very good and nice. I like Excel. Okay, that's it. So sum for this one, you can say equals to, or you can instead come to this side and click auto sum. Good and nice. Excel will help you calculate it. Very nice. You see, Excel is very good. Okay, so we have used sum in 3 different ways. Now let's go to sum if. What did I say? Sum if again? Sum if add cells specified by a given condition. Okay, now let's go. Now this is it. Okay, let's say total piece for Ada, all Ada's total piece. Okay, Ada. So we say sum if Ada. Okay, this is the range. The range is here. Okay, this is where Ada is. What is the criteria? Criteria is Ada. And then what is the sum range? Sum range is total piece. So this is it. So let's say total piece for Ada will be what? 14 pieces. Okay, you can draw it for the next person. Let's see if it will work. 0 pieces. Okay, you can't draw it. Now let's meet, because the cell cannot be referenced since it is a table. So now let's type it manually. Sum if for who arrange this is it, and then you put equal this, and this you go, and the range is what pieces, and here we go, we get what, wow, 16, and then on here sum from here bracket open. Wow, what are we doing? Okay, sum if, rather, sorry, sum if, this is the range, this is the criteria on here, and then what again? The sum range is this. You see, now let's do it. Let's see, this is 14, 16, 14. Let's confirm if it will give us this particular total, and let's say equals to sum as usual, bracket open, from here abi, so you can use to where, okay, to this one. You see, very nice. 44. Yeah, good and nice. Okay, let's see if it will work for others. Total item values. Okay, let's go. Summy bracket. The range is still at that. Okay, the criteria is at that. Okay, and the item values, these are the item values at that, and we say let's see what it will get. 7100. Let's do for other sharp. Okay, welcome guys, we have calculated it, and let's see. Okay, let's me just draw this formula. You can draw a formula from here and see it's good. 21,400. Okay, nice, nice. That was it. Okay, now let's look at the last sum if. Let's do the last sum if. Sum if. Okay, bracket. So we say this one. Okay, and then the criteria is still like that, and this is the sum total cost per item. Let's close this thing and say, okay, this 2100. Okay, let me pause and okay, we are done with all of them. So now let me show you another easy way again to sum up. You highlight all of them like this. Anything you want to sum and press auto sum and quickly, and you see very good and nice. Excel is very nice and make things very easy for common man like us. Okay, now let's proceed. Now sum ifs. This is where is more sweet to calculate. Okay, let's see. It says with add cells specified by a given set of condition or criteria. Add cells specified by a given set of condition or criteria. Okay, now let's add. These are the criteria: book plus 500 plus yes for other. Okay, okay, let's see. Now what's the sum ifs brackets sum range? What are we summing? We are summing. Okay, let's sum this one. Okay, let's sum this one. Okay, comma. Let's say criteria one. The first criteria is ada. That is this. Okay, so ada one. Criteria two is what? Criteria two is a book. This is where book is. Then choose book. Criteria three is what? 500 now. Use 500. Then choose 500. Criteria 4 is what? Criteria 4 is what? Yes. Okay, this is yes. That's where yes, yes. Choose yes. Let's see what you get. Okay. So, how many items meet this criteria? Book 500 yes and like that. Other book 500 yes. Okay, this 151. Where is another other? Okay, not meet, not meet, not meet. Okay, let me password this one, then I'll do with the next example. Okay, okay, you can copy and paste this formula. You have to reference the cells that are important. Okay, for example, I want to copy this one. I copy. Okay, but before I copy, sorry, let me reference the cells. Let me save this one. Okay, let me lock this one. This one is ada. Okay, I'm not locking this one. Oh, this one concerns this one. Okay, let me see this one. This one is what? Okay, this one I can lock this one because it's we are referencing one place. So I press F4. I can lock this one since we are referencing one place. That's cost per item. I lock this one F4. I can lock this one also F4. Let's see what happens. Okay, let me copy this and paste here. Let's see. Okay, now here what happened to you? Okay, okay, let's see if I am now here meet any of the criteria. Now here okay, book. Now here okay, now here book. Okay, no. Okay, now let me type yes and see if it works. Okay, you see it works. You see, very nice. Okay, let me remove that. Okay, let me just put it. There's no problem in putting it. Okay, you see. So you can still even copy the same stuff here, but let's type for the first one and copy the rest. Sum ifs bracket open. Sum range is what? Sum range is this one again. Okay, comma, then item. Okay, first of all, criteria one is who ada. Is ada. Okay. Criteria two is what? Criteria two is what? Okay, So this thing did not pick. If not, it would have underlined this. So criteria 1 comma, we choose Ada. Okay, it's now okay. Criteria 2 is this one, and we choose what? Powder. Powder. Now let's select this one, F4. You see, the next one is okay, F4. F4. We come for it and first. The next one is what? Criteria 3. Criteria 3 is 400. 400, comma, 400 is here. We add F4. Or you can press the dollar sign by yourself. Okay, the last criteria is what? Yes, which is available in this place, comma, this is where yes is, and then you lock it. I'm not locking this first one because I want the values to change when I copy and paste it. I want the values to change when I copy and paste it. Let's see. Did Ada not meet any of the condition? Ada, where did Ada? Okay, Ada bought powder here, and she bought it for 400 and a no. Okay, Ada bought powder here still. Okay, let me test the formula. Ada bought, let's say she bought for 400, and this is a yes. Okay, it's worked there. So I can copy this formula and or this function rather, and paste it here and paste it here. You see. Okay, why did Noye not work? Noye, this Noye, I don't know why she don't like buying things when I want to calculate. Okay, Noye powder 400. No, yes. Okay, let me add yes here for Noye. Okay, perfect. You see, everything is working well. Okay, let me copy the same formula and try without pressing it here. Okay, so the first one, L9. No, I want it to be L what? 8. So I change this one to 8. Okay, purchase what? Purchase makeup. This makeup is what? 4. Makeup is 4, not 3. You see, this is how we do it. Sum total costs. G what is 600. G4 is 600. So you see, I change this to 4. If I did not lock it, it would have gone normal, but there's no problem. And this one should be 4. Let's see if it works. Okay, Ada, this Ada makeup 600. Yes, Ada makeup 400. Yes, okay, let me change this to 600. Let me see if it works. You see, many things are changing the moment I'm changing this. Okay, this they did not work. Let's go back. Ada makeup 600. Yes, Ada L8 is Ada. Okay, this one is what? H4 is what? Makeup. Cost per item G4 is it, and then okay, it's reference to no. It should be yes, that is -3. Okay, this is it. Okay, it's not working because of the place I change. No, yet it should be Ada that should be there. Okay, where is that place? Ada. Okay, makeup 600. Yes, Ada. Okay, let me change this one to Ada first. You see, it has changed. So you see, it's working. So I can copy and paste it for other processes. Okay, let me copy, change, Okay, it is okay. And copy here too. Okay, copy here too. Okay, why are you not doing what you should be doing? Okay, let's find Toby makeup 600 years. Toby makeup 600 years. Okay, Toby makeup 600 years. Toby makeup 600 years. Let me use one. Let's say makeup kits. Okay, 600. And yes, let's see. Okay, it works. So if it works, then no problem. Let's proceed to the next one. Some Sumifs, other if some range. This is some range we'll be working with. Okay, meet which criteria? Criteria one. First of all, it should be ada. Okay. Then criteria two is what? It should not be more than. It should be this. Okay. Better still. You say this. Okay. Should be greater than 2000 at least. Each of these cells before it meet up this condition. Let's see. Okay, 3000 naira. Okay, just 3000 should be greater than. Now let's see ada. The items in here for ada that is greater than 2000. This one is not greater. This ada again. This is not greater. This is not greater. This is not greater. Okay, this is the only one that is greater than 2000. It's 3000. Okay, it's correct. Okay, let's do for the next person. Okay, let me just copy and paste. Can I copy this? Item table. This one stands for what? Okay, let me lock this one. Let me lock this because this reference this. Okay, I've locked it. Okay, let's copy. Don't drag, just copy and paste, copy and paste. Okay, you see. Now for less than 2000 items that are less than 2000, some brackets. You can even still draw. Okay, no need to draw. Some brackets. Some range is this. Okay. Comma. Criteria is this. Criteria one is this. Okay. Ada. If ada is what? If this item are less than this or equals to this. So let me select this one. Okay, F4. Okay, and close the bracket. H. F4. Then close. Okay, let me select. F4. And then close. Okay. Let me draw for the rest. Okay. You see, drawing is not an option, so you have to copy it, paste, paste. Let's see if what we did is correct actually. Okay. You can just sum. Okay, let's do this way. Let's see if it will work. It should not work that way. Okay, now let's pick it this way. Auto sum, and then double click here. Click out first. Double click here. You see it has quickly sum up everything by itself. Okay. If this is giving me 15 plus this should give me the total number for here. This 21. This is, you see, 21. So our formula is good. Now the last one, which is the most important one, is this sum product. Now this is 2100. Just press your equals to sum product and say the magic of what it will do. Array 1, sum product of this and this. It's very easy and nice. So just put the first and give you the same 2, 1. Okay, let's see what our mistake is. Sum table item value. Okay, sorry. You just press your sum. This is insane. Then you choose this. Then comma your next part. Oh, sorry, sum products. Sum products. Okay, you choose this array and then this array. Cover. Let's see what we get. And we get what? This 2100, 21,000, 21,000. You see. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me for this video. I love you all, and you can get these files and work on it. Just check the description below, and thank you and have a good day.